What is going on? Welcome back to day 2 of King of the Streets. We got the gang over here. So today, no street drive today, actually. We are just doing the dyno. So we're actually, the dyno's on the complete opposite side of the track. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over there now, scope it out. Our dyno time isn't till around like 4 o'clock, but we're gonna try and get on there a little bit early, but we're gonna go scope it out first. We missed a couple of high horsepower. Jersey on the fire punk side already put down 1890. So again, we got Nitrous on the 05. Not a super crazy setup. We might change jets. We got 20 minutes on the dyno to put the highest number we can down, but we're probably gonna stay a little bit conservative, but with the jet sizes that we have now, we're hoping that it puts down a decent number. Again, the points are kind of weird on the dyno. You don't really, the highest horsepower and the lowest aren't that far of a point spread apart, but anyway, today is just gonna be the first time on the dyno with Nitrous. So let's go check it out. We'll go from there.
Oh my God! Is that Greg A?
Woo!
Oh, Greg A!
1890. Man, putting it down. What's up, Jersey?
How we doing?
How we doing?
Living the dream.
I living the dream, making 2,000 horsepower. Oh yeah. Take a look at this baby. Heck yeah. This thing is so cool.
Spider kit then. Is that a Pittsburgh motor?
Yeah, no, this guy here built the motor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I don't know, in here.
How old are you? I'm too old for you. Can't be done. Listen,
I want to see if they're
friends, see with your sister.
I thought it's good for you.
Alrighty guys, we are up next on the dyno. We got our Nitrous turned on. So I don't have my head mount.
Good luck, Greg.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck.
Thank you. So we're gonna see what this thing does.
1330 for Greg.
Should we put another bigger jet or just leave it?
Is that with or without spray?
That's with spray.
It's up to you. You gotta...
Like, I think we were kind of lagging behind it. Like, if we got on it sooner, like, I didn't realize you were. Should I downshift or?
Yeah, you can.
You can put it in neutral.
Put it in neutral?
Yep.
Yeah, the rollers are just set back there, so I don't have the brake one.
Then go ahead and downshift it. There you go.
Just leave it in second or go it into first?
I'd go into first. It's up to you, but if you're happy, we don't need to run it again. But if you want to put a bigger jet in it,
Let's just run it one more time the way it is and just see if we can't get it on it sooner. If you can let me know when, I guess whenever
There's
you're
about
gonna...
a 2-second delay from the time I push the button until the load really starts loading in. So.
Okay,
How are temperatures on stuff?
good. Yeah, everything's good.
You want to give it just like a minute, just to kind of
Just chill?
idle? Yeah.
Okay.
Just let oil temps kind of come down a little bit.
Now just a little bit. 1270, 1270.
1270? Okay. Yeah, we're good.
Good enough for Greg. 1330 will be the number on the machine.
1330. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm trying to hold in my excitement. I'm pretty excited. 1330. We were hoping like 11. We were making the calls about jet jet sizes. Like, hey, if it doesn't do 1050, we'll go up a jet and make 1330. I'm like, all right, we're good here. I love nitrous. What happened to it?
Yeah.
Oh, we did a really big burnout and it caught on fire.
Okay. That's right.
All right, here's the official. Our second run was not as much. It was 1270, but first crack, you guys can't see, 1330. So we're gonna go ahead and shut the bottles off. Oh yeah, baby. And of course, as soon as we get off the dyno, it is starting to snow again. All right, we gotta basically let all the nitrous out of the lines, right, Michael?
Yes.
Like it's always proper to empty the lines?
Yep.
Okay, maybe not, but Greg just likes using the purge. Hey, Pop.
How you doing? How did you do?
We made 1,330 horsepower.
I can't
It's
walk.
only because of your spit shine wax job.
Thank you. I had to keep the airspeed down.
Right, exactly. It's all about aerodynamics on the dyno.
Already?
Here, pound it.
Peace out.
No, this is a pound it. There you go.
Oh,
Thank
okay.
you.
All right.
Where's mom and baby?
Over at the trailer.
Okay.
All right. See you later.
All right. You gonna watch sled pulls? You coming back over? You want to hop into bed?
No, I'm all right.
Hop into bed. Hop into bed. Hop in the bed.
Better take it easy on me.
I'll take it easy. Everyone in here's like, let's do a burnout. Now we need to do a burnout. Is that my all good?
I think so.
Alrighty guys, we are kind of walking back over to the dyno after kind of hanging out for a little bit. So again, sorry for the wind noise. I forgot to put my damn mic covers on, but super pumped about 1330 on our current setup. That was more than I was ever expecting. I told Michael I'd be happy with anywhere around 1200 with Nitrous. So needless to say, I think I'm a little addicted to Nitrous right now. So I can't wait to go back to Beach Bend and our local track and run the spray on quarter mile, where they kind of won't give me a ton of crap about the cage for now. But yeah, we're just gonna kind of hang out for the rest of the day, check out what everybody else is doing. Again, our point standings, I have no idea about. I'm just kind of hanging out, having fun, but yeah, it's still really cold. Is pretty much going to wrap up day 2 of King of the Streets. Not a whole lot going on here, and I was going to try and fly my drone, but it seems like the remote is dead. So that's going to do it for day 2. Not a whole lot of action today, but day 3, the final day, is the street drive, which is a 100-mile drive, which is going to be loud and long, and then we got dirt drags and sled pulling. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the following video. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys tomorrow. See ya.